Are you looking for an affordable microphone that doesn't cost the odds but yet performs well? If the answer is yes, don't go anywhere because we've got the answer coming up. Hi guys and welcome back to MMB Tech TV. Now if this is your first time, my name is Ryan, and if you want to keep up to date with all things tech that are affordable for the family, all you need to do is make sure that you hit subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now in today's show we're going to be taking you through and reviewing the Tonor UHF Wireless Microphone. Now in the entertainment industry, microphones are a vital and key part, so whether you're starting out on YouTube, or if you're a presenter, a DJ, or public speaker, wherever you need a microphone, but normally sometimes a lot of them are quite expensive. So what we've managed to do is find one that's at a very, very affordable price, but yet still does the same performance as some of the high-end models that I've used in my presenting career. Now this one in particular you can pick up from Amazon for $47.99 and it comes with free UK delivery as well. So what we are going to do in this episode, we're going to take you through the box, show what you get. We're going to do some testing on it as well, out and about, to see how well this really does perform and if it lives up to the expectations that the company promise. But what we need to do first then, as always, we love to unbox everything. So let's go and have a look inside the box and see what you get. 2 Tonor wireless microphones, 2 anti-slip guards, 2 microphone covers or pop shields, AA batteries, the microphone receiver, 3.5-inch converter, micro USB charging cable. As we turn our attention to the microphone, the thing I notice is the build quality. It's made from a matte metal material and feels really premium, and has a good weight to it too. You have the on and off power button, which you simply need to press it once to activate. Once the microphone is powered on, the LCD display will light up, displaying the current frequency. Now, the beauty about this microphone is that it already syncs with the wireless receiver. The microphone can connect to a further 25 channels, and to do this, simply remove the casing from the bottom and press this button, and the frequency will change automatically. Now let's take a closer look at the receiver. You can see you have the Tonor branding on the front, you have the 1/4-inch jack, and the antenna for the receiver. Here is the micro USB port to charge, and the power button is situated here. You simply press it once to turn it on, and press it once to turn it off. The unit takes roughly 2 hours to gain a full charge and lasts anywhere from 4 to 6 hours of continual use. As mentioned earlier, you do get a converter. Simply place this on the end and plug into your speaker. Now if you wanted to use these microphones but on your smartphone, now the adapter that comes with it isn't compatible with smartphones. However, I've done a bit of searching and a bit of research, and then in order to have this working on your smartphone, you need one of these. You need one of these adapters right here. Now if you do want one, and they do work, I'll put a link in the description below where you can go and check them out. Here is what the microphone looks like with the cover and anti-slip guards on. However, I prefer it without these features. Now the great benefit of these microphones is the long range features. They boast a 150-foot range, so let's give it a test. So now we're outside and we're going to be testing how far this actually reaches. Now they do state that it can do up to about 48 meters, I think. So as my house isn't quite big enough, what we're going to do is test it outside in my garden. So we're going to try and hopefully, if my garden's big enough, try and reach it on this rather windy day. So let's give it a whirl. We need to turn it on. And we we have also got a secondary camera that's going to be recording as well. So let's take a little test run and see. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Now, my garden is 46 metres from where the speaker was currently is at the moment and where the receiver is. So overall, I can just about hear it in the background. So I've not heard any breakages in the signal. I've not heard any crackling, which is outstanding because if you're doing a kind of live performance anywhere, so whether you're a presenter, singer, or even if you're just hosting an event where you need to be out and about in the audience, so far it's testing pretty well. So overall, I'm actually quite happy with this. For someone that does presenting on a day-to-day basis and does performing, I think it's overall recorded and the signal strength of it as well is really good. Not too bad. Now, to my surprise, it remains a strong connection and sounds surprisingly clear. So together with the high sound quality that this microphone gives off, the long range signal that it has, this microphone is suitable for all types of events, from singing, presenting, or even to use as a DJ. This will do the job amazingly. As always, we'll always put links in the description below for you to go and check out when you have a chance, so go and have a look. Now, if there's something that you want us to review, all you need to do is simply get your comments in the box below, and of course, or you can even send us a message through our social media channels, and of course we will get to them, and you never know, we could be reviewing something that you ask us to do, so get them in the comments below. Now, if you do want to see more of us, you can do. All you need to do is make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done already, and of course, if you've loved what you've seen today, give it a big like, give it a big thumbs up. So, if you want to see more right now though, of course you can. You can have a little look at the video that you see on screen right now, and of course, make sure you hit that round subscribe icon if you haven't already. But from me, Ryan, thank you for watching MMB Tech TV, the home of everything tech for the affordable family. From me, enjoy the rest of your day, take care, and bye-bye for now.